Now, let's do a quick headshot. Okay, we're going to come in really close. Now, I'm going to fill from below because we've got a gold dress, and I think it'll look well with a little bit of a gold fill card. So let's come high key right over here. Okay. All right, push in. Beautiful. Okay. Nice, good look. Good look. Okay, that's it. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, now Drew, come from this side. Okay. I'm going to be really in tight on you. You got a key to that. Okay. Beautiful. That's awesome. Okay. All right. All right, why don't you take a break for a second? All right. All right, Kendra, come on in. Maybe try him. Let's try without him for now. Let's try without him for now. Okay. Now, this is way cool. All right. So, everybody getting it not cold, right? Everybody's cool? Everybody's all right? All right. Okay, yeah, you're nice and warm. Okay, so let's do the kind of thing where, yeah, that's nice. Okay, here we go. Do the head thing. Good. Pretty. All right. All right, so kind of come in here. Now we're going to come in tight on Kendra. All right? And now we're going to do kind of a portrait sort of a thing. That's good kick to your hip. That was really nice what you just did. Perfect. All right. That breaks your body line a little bit. So come on up here, Drew. Yep. Awesome.
Very cool.
Very cool. Okay, let's come in with a fill card. Okay. Okay. Good, good. Looking good. Chin up just a hair, Kendra. That's it. That's it. Good. Good look. Okay. All right. Now, let me try something where I go straight up and down here just a little bit. Okay. Good. Good, 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 good. No, just
pull this way just a little bit.
Yeah, there you go, Gary. Good, good. Okay, gorgeous. Come on out. Let's get the same light ratio on you, okay? Now, Ursula's got pretty deep set eyes, so let's come a little more flush to her face, okay? Okay, good look. Right there. Nice. Okay. Good, good. Right there, right there. Stay, stay, stay. Don't move. That's great. Stay with me, stay with me. Very nice. Good. All right. Okay. All right, so I'm going to ask you to maybe cheat your chin up just a little bit into the light, okay? All right?
For the same.
Same thing, yep. See if you can come a little more overhead. Good, good. Way to look. Very nice. Beautiful. That's it. Good look. Okay, now Drew, see if you can push in just a little bit more. Okay, good. Good. Good, good. That's nice. Cool. Beautiful. Okay. So if you can see what happens here on both Kendra's and Ursula's photographs is that the flash tends to separate them out from the background. Because I'm really starting to find the sweet spot of the flash mix with the ambient mix. You can see there's still a nice pastel-y kind of thing going on with that green and then the old boxes and whatnot, but then the flash just lifts her out. Okay, pops her, fills her eyes. I mean, by comparison, let's just do a quick available light picture. Okay, you look at that here, and she's dead. Okay, and there's just really nothing going on in terms of the light on her. So the flash really, really works. That softbox gives you a very nice, rich tonality to a very portable situation. Mind you, I'm still shooting TTL. I'm programming in some underexposure because we're on location, minus 2.3 at this point, and plus 2.0 on the flash. Okay? All right? So let's give this another try. And we'll get the easy box going. Kendra, stand by, because I want to get a horizontal of you. See the way you are right now? Stay right there. Don't move. Move a muscle, I swear to God. I'll just, you know. All right. Good. Okay. And a little bit up, Drew. Okay. Good. Good. Nice. Okay. Let's do a couple more like that where your head is a little bit up and chin is up and a little bit. Okay. Going to program a little more power into that light. Good. Too much power into that light now. Okay, good, good. Beautiful. Good. Awesome. Okay. Okay, all right. So now, what I'd like you to do, Kendra, yeah, fill that space a little bit, and I'd like you to kind of look off towards there, okay, just a little bit. And Drew, I want you to key her from right over here, okay? So let's just see how we do. Okay. It's really nice. All right. Great. Great look. Great look. Now I'm shooting a 30th at 4.5, but I'm not worried so much about sharpness because I got the stopping power of the light here. Okay? All right, so what's happening here is Kendra's got really this kind of porcelain kind of skin, and it's hitting her and the trench coat, and it looks kind of like a femme fatale lady kind of. She could be a dangerous, kind of, secret agent type of person. I have an active imagination. What can I say? I don't sleep well at night, and it's okay. It's all right. I just have to accept that about myself at this point.